UK's emergency Armageddon alarm has now got a date. If you live in the UK on the evening of the 23rd of April, you can expect your phone to make a loud siren-like sound and vibrate while displaying a danger to life warning. It should also include details of the area impacted, instructions of how to respond, and hopefully a big old sign saying test. On top of that, you will have to acknowledge the alert before you can use other features on your phone again. And although the government advises against it, you can opt out by searching on your device's settings for emergency alerts and then turning off severe and extreme ones. But the question is, what do you think the first real alert will be for?